Before discussing the difference between scalars and vector, you need to know what are physical quantities. Any quantity which can be measured is said to be a physical quantity. For example, time. Time can be measured by using a stopwatch or a clock. So time is an example of physical quantity. Length. Length can be measured by using a meter rule or a scale. So length is an example of a physical quantity. Mass can be measured by an electronic balance or physical balance. So mass is an example of a physical quantity. For example, you measure time using a clock or a stopwatch and the value obtained is 24 seconds. In this case, 24 is the numerical value and second is the unit. So 24 and second together they form a magnitude. Magnitude consists of two quantities, numerical value plus the unit. For example, mass is a physical quantity and if its value is 5 kg, then 5 is the numerical value and kg is the unit. Together, numerical value and the unit are said to be magnitude. Now, the physical quantities, they are further divided into two types, scalar quantities and vector quantities. Scalar quantity is a quantity which is described by only magnitude, whereas vector quantities are described by both magnitude and direction. Example for scalar quantities are distance, length, speed, time, mass, work, power, energy. Example for vector quantities are displacement, velocity, acceleration, weight, moment, and force. The definition of these examples will be explained in detail in the coming chapters. So these are the two basic differences. Scalar quantities are the quantity described by only magnitude and vector quantities are described by both magnitude and direction. For example, if you state the value of length, if you specify length, you only give its magnitude. For example, 5 km, that is all required to specify its magnitude. But for vector, for example, velocity is a vector quantity. If a car is moving with velocity 20 meter per second, then you have specified only the magnitude. 20 meter per second is only magnitude. In addition to magnitude, in order to specify velocity completely, you need to tell its direction. That is, you need to tell the direction in which the car is traveling, whether the car is traveling towards north, south, east, west. So direction need to be specified along with the magnitude for the vector quantity.